After few months of web design, I am back to Android journey. Reminder to myself, when click activity view always turn on the right multi-view panel. Here any changes will reflect on multi-device and a look in one glance. Now I will perform drag and drop easy creating views. To add scroll view into view activity, just drag and drop from top panel to component view. To add constraint and remove red error, I always shrink in size. Once the size is correct, I drag and drop constraint by pointing one to another point. Now a bit messy, I need to move some element into scroll view. Instead of admin code here, I simply drag and drop in component view. One element added into scroll view. If you try drag another element, it will not allow. As you can see, it didn't add in. It is due to limit of scroll view, only one element can be added. Now I am trying forcefully add one button into scroll view. Straight away my view got error and gone nothing to display. After revert, I get back my view no error. In order to add more things, you need to remove that element. Just simply drag out that element from scroll view and drag a horizontal or vertical layout into scroll view. After it, you can now drag more than one element into the horizontal layout or vertical layout. As you can see, there is two elements under layout and under scroll view. Now continue the constraint for scroll view. Now to remind myself again how to fit nicely. For width, choose wrap content, and for height select 0 dp. As you can see, it auto adjusts nicely to fit the layout. And to remove error and constraint, I need to add left and right. As you can see, something wrong, but after untick the constraint on left and tick again, it went to normal. Now my scroll view is fully normal without error. Found on constraint error. I think it's my element drag into scroll view, thus old constraint need to update to under scroll view. Again, instead of trying code section, I go to component section to solve. Also, it is a good idea to display the scroll bar out so that user will know can scroll. Click scroll view under component and scroll to all attributes on right panel. Set the scroll bar size to 16 dp and scroll style to outside over overlay. As you can see, no scroll bar yet, I just need to add more element to expand out. Now the scroll bar is visible. I will skip into my finished updated app version, which is better scroll view. As you can see, got scroll bar and can scroll on top and bottom, not affected by scrolling. Thank you for watching.